Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can do the time tracking in the Hubstaff. Let's begin the video. Here I have just browsed their website. You can see that how their website looks, and here you can see all these features, and on the top you can see this option create account, and here you can also get a 14-day free trial, and you can also use that for free. And for login, so simply click on sign in. If you already have an account here, then you can write your email and your password and you can sign in. And if you don't have an account, then simply click on this option don't have an account, get start. Here now you have to write your first name, your last name, your email and your password. And now here you have to verify your email. Here after verifying your email, simply log in. And that's it, our account has been created. Now you can see here all your features. Basically here we are looking for time tracking, so I will just go to timesheet. Here you can see this timesheet option below the dashboard. Simply click on that. Here you have this view and edit and this approve option. I will just show you first the view and edit. Here you can track your daily accountability. Here you can see this option called today, and here in the front of today you will see the time that you have spent it here. And similarly you can also track here your weekly accountability, how much time you have spent it in this week. And here you also have this calendar option. In the approve, you will see the timesheet of your team members and you can approve that if you're okay. And similarly, you can also deny here. Here they also provide the screenshot with the time tracking to help you know if your team member is really doing the work or not. And if you are satisfied, you can approve and payment will be delivered to them. Here for setting up this, simply you have to click on set it up, and here you have to write the member and your pay period. If you want to pay weekly, daily or monthly, you can set up that. And that's how this approve basically works. Now let's go back to edit and view. Here you can start the timer or you can also add the time manually. For adding manually, you have to click on here add time, and here you have to write the project and then the to do. Here for project I have just selected here my organization and then the to do. Here you have not added any to do, so you first have to go and you have to add here your to-do list, then you can add there the time. Then here you have to select the time you have spent and the reason, like why you're adding this time manually, why you are not using the tracker. Here you have this forget, used a wrong task or project. Here you have to give one reason like why you're adding time manually and you're not using the tracker here. After adding this, you have to click on continue. Now you can see that our time has been added here. Now if you want to use the tracker, you can see this timer option on the top. Simply click on that. Now here select the project and to do. Now we will just go and we will add the to do here. Here you can see this new. Here you have to write like what you are doing, like if you are editing the video or if you are creating a website, whatever you are creating you have to write here. After that you can select here any team member and you can assign that work to them. Here I am just only one here, so I will just assign that to myself. You can add here any member. Now come back to the timer. Here in the to do I will just add the video that we have just added there, and then just click on start the timer. And now you can see that our timer has been started. Now here you can see all the screenshot that they have taken when the timer was on. You can see that the timer was on for 1 minute and 3 seconds. You can see here all the screenshots that they have taken during that time. And here you can see that for manual entry you will not find any screenshot, but for the tracker you will find the screenshot here. And that was basically all about how you can use time tracking feature in this Hubstaff. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.